What is Cloud 2.0? Banks are dominating the world's financial sector, where most banks offer a maximum of 3% annual interest out of whatever deposits we made. The banks are usually profiting much more with efficient management of the huge cash flow they contain, not to mention they profit from transactional fees and unnecessary service charges. Cloud 2.0 aims to address the issue and deliver true financial freedom back to all individuals. Cloud 2.0 is a fully distributed wealth management digital wallet utilizing the fourth generation of blockchain technology, allowing users to securely transfer, store, earn, and spend cryptocurrency anytime, anywhere. Users are available to manage their crypto assets simply using any smartphones. All private keys are stored securely, and each users have full control over their private keys. Users can deposit and withdraw some of the most popular cryptocurrencies, and more will be added to the list soon. Cloud 2.0 provides a range of services than just being an ordinary digital wallet. The first service available is the AI Arbitrage Trading Program, Jarvis. Users are given the opportunity to contribute within the community to earn daily rewards, CTO, which is transferable to Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies in the future. All users will be able to apply for a prepaid card, where users can instantly convert their cryptocurrencies into cash to withdraw and spend in reality at our cooperating merchants. Built on Aure, the fourth-generation blockchain platform, Cloud 2.0 leverages social and financial freedom back to the hands of each individual. Join us on the path of technological revolution and learn more about us on our official website,